Hey there YouTube family, how are we today, tonight, whenever you are listening to or watching this video? Look, this is just a really quick one. Currently using a GoPro holder to carry my GoPro on my scooter, as you can see here. But today I've got something a little bit new. So I've actually got my Quadlock for my phone, so I can actually sit my phone up on top. Got the kids here watching and they're having a bit of a smirk at me as well. So I can put my phone on top, but the cool thing is you can actually mount the GoPro holder underneath the Quadlock as well. So let's get it started, let's have a look. So that's what we're going to be removing. That's what we're removing from the scooter. This part right here. So we're going to get rid of this contraption. If you have a look at my accessories video for your Ninebot Max, that's one of the recommendations. Building out accessories 2.0, and I've had actually some good advice from a couple of viewers advising some other type of accessories to add to it as well. So let's get into the video and let's unbox this bad boy as well. So the two items that we need to unbox is the actual phone mount. The phone mount actually goes onto the case. You can get this case for any, pretty much any phone that you have. But the Quadlock case I'm using is for my Note 10 Plus. So if you actually jump on the Quadlock site, I'll have a link below. You can actually get this one it's for cycling, as you can see, but this is for handlebar sizes for 22mm to 35mm as well. So it actually has a little buffer inside to little thing inside to which we'll get into anyway. Have a look. But this piece here actually goes underneath the Quadlock, and that's where you mount your GoPro to on here. Let's get these bad boys unboxed. Alrighty, so all the pieces to the Quadlock that come for it. These are the handlebar spaces, depending on the size of the handlebars. This is the actual Quadlock mount for the Quadlock. As you can see, it has the locking mechanism in here as well, which works really well. And on the bottom, this piece here, which is the GoPro mount, actually mounts to the bottom, so you can have your GoPro connected to that and mounted to the handlebars as well. So for me, this is a great opportunity for us to be able to have the phone so we can use the application for the Ninebot Max, as well as having my GoPro and getting some great footage at the same time as well. So it's a great two-in-one combination, and like I said before, I'll have the link in the description below if you would like to try these out for yourself as well. There is a 10% discount code for those that do use the link that I provide. I'm not an affiliate, but I do get a percentage back from Quadlock for that, buying this myself. And if you do the same, you can actually get the same benefit as well. So let's get to installing this bad boy, removing the current one that's on there. So we're going to remove that bad boy off of there and put this new one on. Okay, so we just got to remove our GoPro. Get that off there first. The next things we need to do is to make sure we've got the right handlebar size. I'll be back. I've got to get an Allen wrench to be able to do the next step. There is an Allen wrench that does come with the box for mounting the actual Quadlock cable. However, there's no Allen wrench in the box for the actual GoPro mount itself with the tiny little screws. So you're going to need to get yourself a small little Allen wrench. You can't even see that, that's like tiny. I wouldn't even have a clue what size it is, but look, get yourself one of these small ones as well, just so you can mount it to the base of the Quadlock in a way that actually keeps it nice and firm. So I'm going to get that done now. I'm going to get the base. So we've now got the GoPro mounted to the base of the Quadlock. There is actually 3 spaces that you get within the Quadlock fitting as well for the handlebars. The one we need, Ninebot Max, is the biggest space because it's actually quite a small handlebar mount there as well. So that's the one we need. That will go around the handlebars, which you'll see me mount shortly, and then we'll put the Quadlock around it and lock it in. So let's get it done. Let's see what it looks like. Let's get the GoPro mounted to it as well as the phone, and we'll give it a test run. Alrighty, so now with the GoPro, the GoPro's on there, but it's actually it's getting blocked by this, so we need to move this down to move the cable out of the way so we can actually have the GoPro coming down. But first of all, we're going to just mount the Quadlock in place. Okay, so we'll take this thing for a ride and show you what it looks like. Alrighty, so we're just going to take this bad boy for a bit of a run along the streets, see how it all goes. So we've got it recording on the GoPro, I've got it recording on my camera that I'm holding in my hand, also on the phone, so you can see how fast I'm going. So we're doing 29, 30k an hour. All right, so the mount is absolutely just like holding on really strong. So you can see how strong the mount is, the GoPro. And so let's have a look. The thing I do love about this is the cruise control, where the cruise control just locks in. This mount from Quadlock, is absolutely outstanding. Quadlock, I've got to give it to you guys. It's holding in strong. The locking mechanism is amazing. The thing I do like about it is you could have it at a landscape view and run a map on there. So currently I'm just running the speedometer, and it's got all the settings on there that I want. I can control all the settings from the phone. And I'd probably almost prefer to do that than actually use the LCD speedometer on there anyway. It's pretty cool. Let's switch it over to, you can sort of give it a transparent look as well. With that transparent look, it gives you, oops, sorry about all the bumps. With the transparent look, it actually gives you an opportunity to sort of see down, look at the front wheel as you're going along as well. You can see the GoPro just under there in the field of view as well. But let's head home. I'm pretty happy with the way that's sort of fitting together. So there you have it, YouTube family. That was just a quick overview of the Quadlock. Look, it wasn't a planned video, it was just something that was there, so I thought I'd grab it, put it together and see how we go. Love to hear your thoughts about it. Put some comments down in the comment section below. We do have another video coming out very, very soon, and it will be actually around how to repair your Ninebot Max tires. So thank you very much for watching the video on the Quadlock. I know it wasn't a very good one, it wasn't planned, it was just something off the cuff that we thought we would do. So thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you could like and subscribe, that would be fantastic. And thanks for joining us again today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to love life and live the dream. Talk to you then.